to me. Wonderful.
Oh, I think you'll want to announce this next one. This is
Here
up
we
your line, right?
go. The Miss Whittier Scholarship Pageant. We have... Good morning, Miss Whittier 1998. Do you have a special holiday message?
Yes, first of all, I'd like to thank everyone in Whittier on behalf of the Miss Whittier Scholarship Pageant. We thank you so much for supporting us. We love you, Whittier. Happy holidays!
Oh, they are so stunning.
Why don't you give us their names right now? What
Yes,
are they, Ray?
Miss Whittier, Ariana Guerrero, Princess Jennifer Stoa. Absolutely beautiful. And look who's driving that. Miss Whittier 1996, Debbie Pilo.
Oh, I hope...
Absolutely beautiful. These are the young ladies that represent this city, Joe.
Very good.
And a fantastic job they do. Uh-oh.
For all the support.
Thank you.
Debbie
Thank you,
Pilo,
Joe.
you
Take
look
care.
beautiful. Good job.
Somebody check her driver's license, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is the Scholarship Pageant, and it's an educational backdrop.